No, 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 no.
It's my chicken. Look! Oh, sorry, Iris. It's mine.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Yummy.
I want more chicken. Bye. Your wallet.
Cafe! Cafe! Hi! Choose, what do you want?
3 pieces of chicken, please.
Okay, 1 second. This is for you.
Thank you.
$5, please.
No money.
No, 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 no.
Sorry.
This is yours. Thank you, Iris.
$5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for you.
Thank you.
Sit down, please. Next.
3 chicken, please.
$3, please.
No money.
No money, no food. Sorry.
No, 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 no.
Auntie, I'm hungry.
Don't worry, Alice, I can help you. Let's go.
La, 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 la.
Tomato, broccoli, carrot. Done.
Eat.
Bon appetit.
I get broccoli. I want chicken.
Sorry, no chicken.
Okay. Chicken for you. Thank you. Carrot for you. Thank you.
The more you share,
The happier you are.
nothing.
La, 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 la.
Ice cream truck.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Shh.
Somni ice cream.
Alice, let's go inside.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, sweet stuff.
Sasha, look.
Alice, check if Auntie's coming.
Okay.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
It's okay. chocolate from Tom.
Let's eat it.
Thank you. Yummy. Sasha, what do you want? Strawberry. Strawberry, my favorite.
Oh, wait! Run! Cheese?
Oh no!
Aha! Here they are! What are you doing here?
We just want to check what's inside.
No problem, kids. Let's make something.
Yeah! We want to make some waffles.
No problem. We need to wait 5 minutes.
Okay.
Do you want to make a smoothie?
Banana. Strawberry.
Blueberry. Let's add some ice cream. Yummy.
Delicious.
Kids, remember, a lot of sugar is not healthy for you.
Okay, Auntie.
Bye.
Bye. Let's go play.
Look at my car.
Yay, it's my car. Mine.
It's mine.
Mine.
It's mine.
What happened, Alice? I am slow. Be careful. Alice, help me. Stop. I want to get out.
What are you doing, Alice? Hey, Alice, it's mine.
Mine. I'm slow. Be careful. Stop. Sasha, help me. Don't do that. Open the door. Stop, I want to get out. Now it's better. What are you doing, Alice? Why am I so small? Look my card.
Give me, please.
No, it's my card. Open the door. This card small for me. Help me.
Huh? Hey! Amazing!
It's my car.
No, it's my cars.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Mine.
It's mine. It's mine.
It's my car.
Mine.
Mine. No, mine.
Stop, stop, stop! It's for you! It's for you! For you! For you!
Thank you, Auntie.
Who is welcome?
Yummy.
Candy?
No, it's mine.
Idea.
Do you want to take a picture?
Uh-huh. Pumpkin.
What is that?
Auntie, I'm pumpkin.
It's really cool and funny.
Deer.
Wow, let's make a selfie.
Next, Auntie. Bat.
It's so weird, but I like it.
My ears.
They are so big.
Hulk. So strong.
It's me, Uncle. Look.
What? This can't be real! Rabbit, rabbit! Ah, it's me.
Green.
What is that? Sasha, help me.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, Sasha.
Always welcome.
We're done.
Look at these ears.
This
And his nose. I'm a lion. Oh, what happened? I'm a big strawberry.
I'm small strawberry. Oopsie.
Whoa, I'm so fluffy.
This is for you.
Oh, I love bananas.
Wow.
Sasha, unicorn.
Unicorn.
Monkey. What's going on?
Ooh.
Again? I need to find out. Who did this?
We have no idea.
Listen.
I hear something.
Me too.
Let's check.
Let's. Come on.
So fun.
Alice.
Sorry.
Why did you do this?
You didn't show.
Lots of candy is not healthy. Let's make cookies together.